Hello everybody, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. In this video, I will show you a very easy way on how to make a bow using just one ribbon and pipe cleaner and scissors. So first, we're gonna start off with the loop that's gonna be in the middle of the bow. So we're gonna do a small loop like this. So it's like a circle, and I'm gonna hold it like this. So now you're gonna do a twist so that the print of the ribbon is showing on the top side of the bow. This is one loop, and then we're gonna do a twist and hold it at the bottom of our first loop. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And do a twist. So every time you do a loop, you're going to do a twist. You can do as many loops as you wish. So on this one, it's going to be a very easy one. I'm just going to do 3 loops on each side, and then the tails of the bow. Okay. So for the tails, I'm just going to do a long loop, and then we cut. Now with our pipe cleaner, we're gonna put it inside the loop and hold it all together. And now we're gonna make a few twists on the back to make it all secure. And cut. And this is a very easy bow. You can use it for your wreaths, for any decoration that you do. And thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and happy Valentine's. Bye bye.